If you've ever wanted to publish your own books or build a real passive income stream from something you create but had no idea where to start, this one's for you. Picture this. You type in an idea, and within minutes, you've got a complete, ready-to-sell book sitting on your screen. The content, the cover, the formatting, everything done for you. Hey creators, authors, and digital hustlers, today we're talking about Royalty Profits AI, a smart system that lets anyone create and publish books on Amazon KDP in under 6 minutes. It takes care of all the hard parts from finding what's selling to actually writing and designing your book, so you can focus on building income instead of struggling with tools or expensive freelancers. There's no confusing setup, no complex learning curve, and no waiting around for results. You just plug in your topic, let the AI do the work, and watch your book come to life, ready to start earning royalties. Let's check out how it all comes together. Here are the top features of Royalty Profits AI everyone's excited about right now. AI Book Creator. Make full books in under 6 minutes. No writing needed. Smart Niche Finder. Discover topics that sell before you even start. AI Cover Designer. Create stunning, ready-to-sell covers in seconds. Instant KDP Export. Get perfectly formatted PDF and EPUB files instantly. One-click publishing. Upload, publish, and start earning royalties fast. Here's why creating and earning with Royalty Profits AI feels effortless. Step 1. Log in and choose your book. Type access your dashboard, pick from 25 plus book styles, and enter your topic or idea. Step 2. Let AI do the work. Watch the system write, format, and design your entire book in minutes. Step 3. Publish and earn royalties. Export to Amazon KDP, hit publish, and start getting paid from real book sales. The best part? The app is priced at just $37, a one-time payment, no monthly or yearly subscriptions. Plus, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. If it's not what you expected, simply request a refund, no questions asked. Is Royalty Profits AI the system you've been waiting for? If you've always wanted to publish books, build passive income, or create something that keeps earning even when you're offline, then Royalty Profits AI is built for you. But remember, this launch deal won't stay up forever and the price may go up soon. So if this sounds like your kind of opportunity, grab your access now while it's still live. Links in the description.